Class 5 Environmental Studies Part 1 Lesson number 21 Busy at Work, that is our internal organs. So students, we have seen about respiration, right? Now let's see forward. Now students, in this respiration, let's see the effects of smoking, okay, which give a major effect to our respiration. Now the effects of smoking. Due to smoking, the toxic substances in the tobacco smoke collect in the respiratory tract. Therefore, the air does not get sufficiently purified. Impurities in the air also remain immaculate in the lungs. Now, students, what are these effects of the smoking? Suppose if one keeps smoking over a long period of time, right? The toxic substance in that smoke collects in the respiratory tract and the respiratory system gets weak. As a result, the air that enters the lungs, okay, that air which we smoke, the air which gets into the lung is not sufficiently purified, and the impurities in the air begins to emmanuate in our lungs. In that way, the respiratory systems get affected. Now the efficiency of the lung is also reduced, okay, means day by day the lungs get destroyed, okay. The livelihood of getting disease of the lungs increases. Now, due to smoking, diseases of respiratory systems or even lung cancer can be caused. As we have seen that the smoking is very dangerous for our health. Due to this, we can also get the lung cancer. Okay. Now, the passive smoking. When people around us smoke, then we tend to inhale the same smoke. Okay. Suppose a person is smoking in front of us, we inhale that smoke which the smoke is left out from his mouth. Now, due to this, though not actively smoking, he or she has the face to consequences of the passive smoking. Now students, suppose a person before you is smoking, the air gets into our lungs, but when that person is taking the smoke, means suppose he is smoking, his lungs will not get affected, but our lungs will get affected from the front. There is a ban on smoking in the public place in India. Nowadays, they have banned to smoke on the public place, right? Now, the solid particles in the tobacco, smoke from the cigarettes or BD from a stick layer inside the alveoli. Okay, now these all substances such as tobacco, cigarettes, and BD, there are very thin layer sticks which they have added. Okay, so this all effects leads to the disease of respiratory organs, including life-threatening disease like lung cancer. As I told you all, that smoking and all this tobacco, it causes very dangerous for our health, and it can also cause a lung cancer. So this is what we have seen of the smoking. What are the effects? Now let's see about the digestion. Now students, what is this digestion? Let's see in a short. Okay, so the alimentary canal starts from the mouth and the end is the anus. All the organs concerned with the digestion of food are called digestive organs. Some digestive glands also help in the process of this digestion. Now, these are all closely connected with the digestive system. Now, students, in this digestive system, that is digestion, the alimentary canal, okay, which starts from our body, from where it starts from our mouth and it ends towards the anus. Now, these all organs are concerned with the digestion of the food, that are digestive organs. Now, some digestive glands also help us in the process of the digestion, and also they are very close to our digestive system. So this is what we have seen about the effects of the smoke and about the digestion. Thank you.